Hello everyone, myself Nigar Sultana. I welcome you all to Aryan Digital Learnings. In the previous video we have learned searching techniques, that is linear search and binary search. So already we have discussed what is linear search. In this video we are going to learn what is binary search. Let's understand what is this binary search. It is a divide and conquer technique. What is divide and conquer? In the array elements are being divided into two parts. We are going to compare the key with the middle element, or if it is not same, we are going to move to the left or right based on the conditions. Let's see. The main requirement of this binary search is that the arrays must be in sorted orders, that is, it can be in ascending order or in descending order. Let's understand this binary search with the help of algorithm and function. So this is the definition of the binary search, that we are finding an item which is in the sorted order. So let's see, we have the items like 18, 25, 36, 45, 60, 85 and 100. So what is the value of n? So the value of n is your 7. See, now all these items are arranged in ascending order. So now it is possible to perform the binary search. So the first step of this algorithm states that set first is equals to 1 and last is equals to n. So what is the value of first here? So the first is equals to 1, last is equals to 7. So now we have set the first and last. Next step is while first is lesser than or equals to last, we must check the condition whether what is the first value? First is 1. Is 1 lesser than or equals to 7? Yes. Is this true? Now we will come inside the loop. So what does it say? We must find the mid element of this. So what is the mid element? Mid is equals to first plus last divided by 2. What is first here? 1 plus 7, which is equals to 8 divided by 2. So what is 4 divided by? So this is our 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So now my mid is at 4. So this is my first, this is my last, and the middle element is 4 now. I must check whether the item is equals to A of mid. What is my item? We must provide the key or the item, that is item is equal. So let's take 85 as our key. I must compare this key with the A of mid. So what is the A of mid here? A of mid is 45. Let's check the condition whether item is your 85. Is 85 is equals to A of mid, that is 45. Is this equal? No, it's not equal. So we need not to return the mid. Come for the else if part. Let's check whether the item 85 is lesser than A of mid. No, this is also false. Now comes to the else part. So what does it tell? First is equals to mid of 1. Now which is this? So this is, if this is my mid, I must take this mid plus 1, 5. So this is my first now. So no need of searching this part which is to the left of the mid, because 85 will come under right side of the 45, that is 85 is greater than 45. Now let's see if this is my, so what happens? Again I must check the condition of while. Now when this is my last and this is my first, so first is now, it is 5 now. Let's check the condition. Is 1 lesser than or equals to 7? This is 5. Is 5 lesser than or equal to 7? Yes, it is true. Now let's enter into the loop. Mid is equals to first plus last by 2. So what is the first now? First is my 5 plus 7 divided by 2. So what is this? This is my 12 divided by 2. So this is my 6, isn't it? So 6 is my mid now. Now let's check. If item is equals to A of mid, what is my item? 85. Is 85 is equals to mid of A of mid. What is A of mid now? A of mid is holding 85. Is this true? Yeah, it is true. When it is true, what I must return? I must return mid. What is the value of mid? It is 6. So it has understood that at 6th location 85 is stored. If if it doesn't match, when we traverse the whole array, if it doesn't match, means the step 3 is return -1, that it returns a message that the key is not found. So now let's see the function. So this is my function. Let's take one more example. Suppose let's take, so at the first place we have 5, then 10, 15, 20. Okay, let's check for the another case, that is which does the key which is not found in the list. So suppose let's check for the 25 key as my key. Okay, first I must check. So this is my function, that bin search A is your array name and item is the item which you are finding, like 25 is my item. First is this, first element is your first and this is my last. Now I must check. So what is this? So this is placed at 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is my list or an array. So now let's check. So these are the index. I can start from 0 as well. When I start from 0, it will goes to the 3. I have started from 1, so it is ending up till 4 now. Now I must check whether the first is at placed 1. Is 1 greater than 4? It is false. So no need to return this -1 statement. Else part. So in else part, I must calculate the mid. So what is first here? 1 plus last is at 4 divided by 2. So this is my 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5. Take this floor value, that is 2. Now this is my mid. Now let's check the condition. If item is lesser than A of mid. So what is the item? So item is, I have told you 25. Is 25 lesser than A of mid? Is this true? It is not true. So come for the else part. What is the else part? 25 is greater than 10. Yes, it is true. When it is true, what I must do? I must check for the condition. I must execute this function. What is the function we have? Bin search A comma item comma middle 1 plus 1 middle plus 1 comma last. So what does it mean? So this is my A is my array name, item is the key that I want to search, next is the middle plus 1 last. So middle plus 1 is my first now. So this is my first and this is my last. Okay, so now what I must do? I must check the condition again. So what is the condition now? How to calculate this? First is now 3. Is 3 lesser than 4? Yeah, it is true. When it is true, come inside the loop. So first is not greater than last, that is 3 is not greater than 4, so it doesn't. So come for the else part. What is the mid here? So that is mid is, how to calculate the mid? First plus last, that is your 7 divided by 2. What is 7 divided by 2? That is 3.5. So takes this floor value as 3. So the 3 is your middle now. Compare this. Is 15 or is 25 is equals to 15? No, it's not equal. So what I must do? Check for the condition, that is 25 lesser than A of mid. This is false. Come for the else if part. So what is else if part tells? If 25 is greater than 15, yeah, it is true. When it is true, come for the function, that is bin search A comma item comma middle plus 1. So again I am executing the same function as, so this is my middle plus 1 as my first. So this is my first and last. I must compare this. So is 25 is equals to 20? No, it's not equal. Is 25 greater than 20? See, we have came to the last of the array, but the none of the item is matching with 25. So what I must return? I must return -1. What is this -1? It gives the message that the key is not found. So this is the function and algorithm of the binary search. You just remember there are 3 cases. first what we are going to do, first we are going to search the key. Here also we come across with 3 cases. So the first case is we'll compare the key which is equals to A of mid, right? When the key is equals to A of mid, we are going to return the mid value. There is another case, that is case 2. What is the case 2? If key is lesser than A of mid. If this is the case, we are going to search to the left part of your middle. Next is your case 3. What is this case 3 says? If key is greater than A of mid. If this is the case, if the key value is greater than A of mid, we are going to ignore the left part of your mid and we are going to search in the right part of the arrays. So these are the important 3 cases of your binary search. So in this video we have learned what are the algorithms and function, how we will perform this binary search on the given array. So thanks for watching this video.